Is it rolling? Ready?
Ready.
Hi!
Over the past 2 years, the best ever food review show has gone from this
Welcome to the best food review show ever. Best ever food
to this.
We have traveled to southern Vietnam, to the Mekong Delta. Let's go. Hey, is something wrong with this horse? It's not moving. We're eating Jollibee. We're on a scooter in the middle of Saigon, Vietnam. This is how you ride in style in the Philippines.
It's my aim to make each episode of the best ever food review show better than the last. And today you're gonna see exactly how we do it.
So today, we're doing a behind-the-scenes video of the best ever food review show. Already, I regret this idea. Is this a good idea? Kai, what do you think? Good idea?
Good idea. It's a really good idea.
Hey, all right, that's Kai, everybody. This is Kai, the camera guy. Let me introduce the whole team. Over here is my co-host today. Her name is Ewan. I know it seems like we just turn on an iPhone and then a video appears from it, but there's actually a whole team. Over here, we have our fabulous producer. Her name is Me.
Good. Good.
Her name is Me. There's never been any confusion regarding that name when we have discussions about stuff. She has discovered the amazing locations that we're going to today. Let's go over here to V. And this is V. V basically has no purpose on today's shoot. She's trying to get out of some work, and so she's justified joining us. And that's fine with me. We always enjoy having V.
Fantastic. Mike.
We've got one camera on the bike. We've got one camera on my head. I don't know if this is interesting to people, but we've got our microphones here. And then that will be going to my big camera in this bag. Someone from another bike carries that bag, well that's recording. And then we follow behind and we try not to get too far apart so it doesn't break up. Okay, this is the front camera. This is the front GoPro for this lady right here. I know it looks silly, but in the end, this is how you get the beautiful picture of my face that everyone really wants and desires. I'm gonna get this recording. Let's get this recording. We're gonna clap for the audio. 1, 2. Hey, Me, take this. We're gonna ride on this bike. Are you ready?
Yeah.
I'm totally ready. I don't know my script. We'll see you on the bikes. The smallest bike I've ever been on. Are you gonna be okay?
Yes.
I weigh 100 kilograms.
Yeah.
This morning, I weighed exactly 100 kilograms.
You told me you're just 60 kilograms.
I know, I lied.
Yeah.
Today on the best ever food review show,
We're going on another food adventure and
drinking adventure. But first, make sure you check out my new video. What is special
about the goat.
It would taste more chewier than pork.
Initially, when I planned this trip, I thought I was going to be going with a
Guy who was like 6'5".
It's okay to drink beer and rice wine in the same night.
It's okay to drink beer and rice wine in the same night.
Yeah, but like a nice day like today, so why not?
I don't know much.
But I know that tonight it's gonna get pretty intense, bro. I'm talking 2 bandanas intense.
So we just finished the talking on the bike part right here. Yeah.
The traffic's here.
Can we stop here?
Crazy. So I have a little bit difficult time
You can
to
put it away, please.
drive sunny on my back.
Hey, she's doing a great job. Whew, all right, that part's always intense, but it really kicks off the shoot. And it gives it some good energy, you know what I'm saying? Have a little banter. Usually the person driving almost crashes because they're like, holy shit, I have to drive and talk and say something interesting. It's a lot of pressure. It's a lot of pressure. I'm gonna keep the camera on. We're like 15 minutes from our location. We're gonna keep going. The street is noisy. It's gonna be interesting shooting this.
Hey, what's up? Food Bro coming at you live from Saigon. Beautiful, sunny Saigon today. But hey, that's how we do here. Food Bro out.
How much money do they want?
They didn't say it like directly. We have to offer them ourselves.
Okay, so this is great. This will be great for the behind the scenes because this has never happened in a shoot before, but start trying to shut our shoot down. Maybe because they saw this beautiful star of a face over here. They're like, this guy has some money. I don't know. So let's go over there. Let's go talk to him. Love that. I'm not giving up. I don't like to post negative stuff, but it's annoying. Can happen in different countries. It could be any country. It's not the country. It's just a few people over here trying to make some money. Okay, so we don't know what's gonna happen with this shoot, which is cool. Let's pack it up. We're not shooting here. Let's yeah. Fudge.
I gotta get my motorbike parked over there.
All right, I might call it. Give me a second. Give me a second to think.
There's one right across the street from where I live.
I'll have to ask you how far that is. But this rain is Ridiculous too. Alright, let's cut. So here we are at another location, which is honestly, it's way better. They've got the pot roasted chickens, so it's badass. We're gonna do that whole intro again, only in a bottle.
Yeah.
Their kegs are empty.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, the whole idea is changing. I need to. So they have beer in a bottle,
Yeah.
but no beer in a keg.
Yeah.
Okay. Real quick, the guy who said I wear the same shirt every day. How do you feel now?
Very.
You feel pretty dumb, huh?
It's almost like kind of like an uncooked vermicelli noodle. It's very spicy. Actually, very.
But what are you doing? What are you doing? We're shooting a food review show.
We're shooting a food review. We're shooting a food review.
What? You're also shooting a food review show.
Yeah, we're shooting.
No, don't talk. No. Don't talk to my co-host. You need to shoot a food review show right here where we're shooting a food review show. Does that not seem ridiculous to you?
Do you need to wear 2 bandanas? Who is this guy? It's actually very delicious. You get some spices, get yourself a bag, enjoy it. It's delicious. Welcome to Saigon.
Can you believe that guy? No idea. It's going all right. Everything's going. It's going to be all right. Interview Kai. I don't know.
Hey, what are you doing, Kai?
Location 1, food 1, and drink 1. Beer, right? We're gonna have some beer?
Yes, of course.
Right here we have the famous roasted chicken in Saigon. And it's not just roasted, because that wouldn't be that special. It is pot roasted.
So now it's 10 past 5, and we still haven't eaten anything. I'm quite hungry now, but luckily the rain has stopped.
Action.
That's good. That's good. That's where we wanted that, right in the slot. Hold it a little sideways. Go. Now look good? Good. Okay, this is the most important part, Kai. So you can go down from the cup up to my face.
Action.
More and look at the camera at the same time.
It's called a slow motion montage.
Smoothest dude in the world. Like cut. So, sit down, put the shoulder mount, and get ready for the normal shoot, okay?
I'm an artist and comedian and a good friend of Sonny's. Today I am the food bro, which is his adversary, I guess, who also has a competing food review show, which I think my food review show would be much better. I have better bandanas. I can speak a little better than him. I don't get as sweaty as quickly as Sonny does. Not a lot of people know this about Sonny, but he grew up a young Vietnamese girl. So it's nice to have him come back to his home country and really review some of the food that he grew up with. So, and I'm just here to support him. So, cheers, Sonny.
It's behind the scenes. People don't see this stuff. Sometimes your battery runs out. It's crazy. You need to stop shooting. You gotta put a new battery in there. Like, look, we out here, man.
3, 2, 1.
Right here we have 4 baguettes. We have some papaya.
Next we've got the rice wine and a little bit of goat. Should we go? Should we go over there?
Yes, of course.
All right, let's go to the next location. Cut.
Action.
I picked one hell of a day to do behind the scenes. We are going from our improvised location 1 to location 2, and he just told me instead of putting on a raincoat, I'm supposed to go under his. What made you think I would want to do this? Why didn't you just give me a poncho? All right, so I'm holding our box full of beer. I'm on the back of a motorbike. I'm sticking my phone out so hopefully someone steals it. And I'm gonna hide under this guy's. All right, I'll see you guys later. I gotta hide.
What if I come over to your table at the end while you're eating and just start picking some food? I think you're jumpiness.
Will you turn your mic on?
I don't have a mic on.
Oh,
I'm getting it now. Don't worry. Let's try to not be disruptive. So don't block this area.
Yeah.
All right. Hi. Yeah. So location 1, big success. On the way to location 2, started raining again. No big deal. Can't phase us. And we are now finally at the goat place. And We're gonna do goat things. Anyways, behind the scenes, yada yada yada. Oh yeah, this is just Mike. Yada yada yada. Bye.
Now, Bob Saudet is a very, very popular dish they have.
Are you
Gotta be kidding me.
You're doing a food review.
We're not
I
even.
can't. I'm sorry.
It's gotta be joking.
What are you doing?
Doing the same food review. What are you doing?
You're doing a food review for food that doesn't even belong to this restaurant. You're just in a random restaurant.
That explains a lot. Nah. Anyways, Bob Saudet, very popular street food here. Why don't you show me how yummy it is?
Stay there. Stay there. Stay there. Resume. We're gonna resume. I can do a really good yummy face.
Can you?
Yeah. What, do I need to show you?
Why don't you show me? Thought so. Bob Saudet, wonderful dish to check. Wonderful dish to check. Definitely gotta try it here in Saigon. Absolutely wonderful. Margarine, the corn, the spices all work together very well. Mwah. It's a food, bro. Blah 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 blah. Here in Saigon.
Freaking hate that guy.
Absolutely wonderful. Margarine, the corn, the.
Good. Perfect. I love it. Okay, so let's get. Are you ready?
Yeah.
This is not mountain spring mineral water. Mineral water. This is some intense rice wine. People are partying. I'm gonna go find that. You stay here. Okay. Ready? Oh, hey. Oh, hi. So what we're doing right now is we're just getting some sexy food shots, you know what I mean? You can't be here. You're my nemesis.
Why are you laughing? I'm being normal.
Sweating. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, ready, Kai? So right now what's happening, we're doing a little fact checking, trying to figure out what the heck is going on. All right, I'm just gonna call it bone marrow. So this is bone marrow? One more. There we go. Put it right on top.
You can hear the sounds, right?
Yeah, it's nice and crackly. Wow. This brings me back to when I was a Vietnamese child.
And
He grew up a young Vietnamese girl.
Oh, me. Sorry, me. Her name is me. You need to kick your dad in the nuts. So what's happening right now, Kai, you just saw him change the lens. And look, it's really important to change lenses if you need like a different focal length, for example. I don't really have an update. I really have nothing to say. I just wanted some content between like the music that you're listening to with shots of us eating. But that's, what is that?
that is some innards.
Innards of a
Yes.
goat?
Yes.
This place is all about goats.
Yes.
Squishy. I think squishy is the perfect word for it. Okay. Are you ready? Put in some
It's time for the hot pot review.
Oh, would you look at that? Would you look at that? Nice and soft and hot potty or whatever. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna eat all this food now, and we're not gonna show you.
This is, excuse me, then just grab that. Thank you. And just keep
And
walking.
then I'll be like, see you next week. All right, I like it.
Links for that are in the description down below. If you like this video, throw me a sub.
It's just
I'll see
very
you next
spicy.
week.
Oh! Incredibly spicy. Incredibly spicy, but actually a really good dish. If you really enjoy it in Saigon, come through, get some Bob Saudet. It's a food bro coming at you live.
I'm good with it.
That is the shoot. It was hectic, but it was a lot of fun. For the people asking why I don't upload every day, this is why. If you'd like to contribute to this channel, please consider donating to my Patreon. This is a website where fans of the show can donate money weekly, starting as low as $1. All the money contributed goes toward further developing the best ever food review show, increasing our quality, going to new destinations, and so on. Also, let me know if you like this behind the scenes video in the comments down below. If you do, maybe we can do videos like this more often. Who knows? You know, anything is possible. Okay, we'll see you next week. A peace.